the elevator at the brand new Guerrieri Technology Center here in Warwick Community College in Salisbury, Maryland. It's a Delaware elevator with a Bruiser Fixture. Here it comes. Yep, it's the only elevator I can find here. Let's go to 4. Three. 4. That's one heck of an out order. Wow. Well, lady. What's it? A red light and a shape like letter B. That's one. Whoops. Oh. Now you have you. This is a nice cab. Here's the leaf yard. I love the cab. What's was really nice here? Certificates over there. First small bonnets here. And capacity 100 pounds. 2. Oh, we're starting. And that's it.
Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking here. If you want to watch more videos, click either one of them.